few fitness routines can match the effectiveness of Mike Mentzer's approach. This method, the brainchild of Mentzer himself, is a distinct fusion of intensity, duration, and frequency, unlike anything the fitness world had ever seen. It was groundbreaking, a revolution in the truest sense. The core of this approach lies in its unique ability to shed fat without losing muscle, a balance many strive for but few achieve. So buckle up, fitness enthusiasts, and get ready to explore the step-by-step guide to Mike Mentzer's routine. At the heart of Mike Mentzer's routine is the belief that less can often mean more. This philosophy is embodied in the principles of high-intensity training, or HIIT. The idea is to push your body to its limits, but in a shorter span of time, creating a more efficient workout. It's a departure from traditional workouts that suggest longer, more frequent sessions, but it doesn't stop there. Rest also plays a pivotal role. It's during rest that your muscles repair and grow. And Mentzer believed in giving the body ample time to do this. It's a method that respects the body's natural rhythm, rather than trying to force it into a certain mold. And finally, listening to your body is key. This means understanding your limits. It means knowing when to push and when to pull back. It means treating your body as an ally, not an adversary. Now that we understand the philosophy, let's delve into the routine itself. Begin with the basics, the workout structure. Let's dive right into it. Mike Mentzer's ideal routine is built around compound exercises. If you're unfamiliar with the term, compound exercises are multi-joint movements that work several muscles or muscle groups at one time. A great example of this is a squat, which engages your quads, hamstrings, and glutes all at once. But why does Mike Mentzer's routine emphasize these exercises? Well, compound exercises are known for their ability to burn more calories during a workout, increase muscle mass, and improve intermuscular coordination. They're the perfect tool for losing fat without losing muscle. Now let's talk structure. A typical workout in this routine starts with warm-up sets. The purpose of these is to prep your body for the work ahead, increasing your heart rate, loosening your joints, and waking up your nervous system. These sets are not about fatiguing your muscles, but about getting you ready to perform at your peak. After the warm-up sets, it's time for the work sets. This is where the real magic happens. The work sets are performed with a high level of intensity and a focus on controlled, deliberate movements. It's not about how many reps you can do, but about performing each rep with perfect form. This approach allows you to fully engage your muscles and push them to their limits, which is key for muscle growth and fat loss. Keep in mind that the number of sets and reps can vary. Based on your fitness level and goals, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach, but a flexible routine that can be tailored to meet your needs. Remember, the goal here is not to exhaust yourself with endless sets and reps, but to perform each exercise with maximum intensity and focus. This is what sets Mike Mentzer's routine apart from others. It's not about quantity, but quality. That's the foundation of the routine. But the real secret lies in the intensity. Intensity is the key to Mike Mentzer's routine. When we talk about intensity in the context of Mike Mentzer's routine, we're not just referring to how hard you're pushing yourself. Intensity, in this case, is a measure of how much effort you're putting into each rep, each set, and each workout. It's about reaching your maximum potential, pushing your muscles to their limit, and then pushing a little bit more. So how do you correctly implement high-intensity training? Well, it's not as simple as just lifting heavier weights or doing more reps. It's about pushing your muscles to their limit, to the point of failure. Now, before you start panicking at the idea of lifting weights until your muscles give out, let's clarify what we mean by failure. Training to failure doesn't mean pushing your body to the point of injury or exhaustion. It means performing an exercise until your targeted muscles can't complete another rep with good form. This is the point at which your muscles are fully fatigued and can't lift the weight again without compromising form or safety. It's important to remember that training to failure is a technique that should be used sparingly and with caution. It's not something that should be done on every set or every workout. Overdoing it can lead to overtraining, which can hinder your progress and increase your risk of injury. To safely and effectively use this technique, you need to listen to your body and understand its limits. Start with a weight that you can lift for about 6 to 10 reps. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the weight while keeping the rep range the same. When you reach a point where you can't complete another rep with good form, that's when you've hit failure. Remember, intensity is not just about how much you're lifting, but how hard you're working. It's about pushing yourself to your limit, but not beyond. It's about finding that sweet spot where you're challenging your muscles but not risking injury. With intensity mastered, it's time to look at frequency. Frequency is the final piece of the puzzle. Now that we've covered the exercises and the technique, let's delve into the role of rest and recovery. As per Mike Mentzer, this aspect of the regimen is often overlooked, yet it's absolutely crucial for achieving your desired results. Rest and recovery are as important as the workout itself. When you work out, you're creating micro tears in your muscles. It's during the recovery phase that these tears heal, leading to muscle growth. So if you're not giving your body ample time to recover, you're not allowing it to build and strengthen your muscles. Now let's talk about workout frequency. The ideal frequency will vary from person to person, as it depends on your individual recovery rates. Some people might recover faster, allowing them to work out more frequently, while others might need more time between workouts. This is where it becomes critical to listen to your body. It's your best guide in determining your optimal workout frequency. There are a few signs to look out for that suggest you might be overdoing it. These include feeling excessively tired, having a decreased appetite, experiencing a lack of progress in your workouts, and getting injured more frequently. If you notice any of these signs, it's a clear indication that you need to reduce your workout frequency and increase your recovery time. Remember, the goal is not to work out as much as possible, but to work out as efficiently as possible. This means ensuring that you're giving your body the rest it needs to heal and grow. In summary, Mike Mentzer's routine is all about balance. It's a perfect blend of high-intensity workouts, proper technique, and adequate rest and recovery. It's not about going to the gym every single day, but rather about making the most out of each workout session. And that's Mike Mentzer's routine in a nutshell. It's a routine that emphasizes quality over quantity, and it's designed to help you lose fat without losing muscle. So, if you're looking for a workout routine that's effective and sustainable, this could be the perfect fit for you. Mike Mentzer's routine is a game changer, but it's not for the faint-hearted. That's a phrase we've used to encapsulate the essence of this remarkable approach to fat loss and muscle preservation. Let's take a moment to distill the key points we've covered today. Firstly, the cornerstone of Mentzer's routine is intensity. This isn't a workout that you can breeze through while catching up on your favorite podcast. It demands your full attention, your complete commitment, and your unyielding effort. Each repetition should be performed with a level of intensity that pushes your muscles to their absolute limit. This is the kind of workout that leaves you gasping for breath, muscles trembling, knowing deep down that you've truly given it your all. But it's not just about intensity. Mentzer's routine emphasizes the equal importance of rest and recovery. This isn't a program where you're hitting the gym 7 days a week. It's about training hard, then allowing your body the time it needs to heal, recover, and grow. This aspect is often overlooked. The fitness world, but it is absolutely crucial for sustainable progress. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep and a day of rest. The third key point revolves around the need for a personalized approach. While Mentzer's routine provides a fantastic framework, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. We all have different bodies, different fitness levels, and different goals. Therefore, it's essential to tweak and adjust the routine to fit your specific needs, whether that means modifying the number of repetitions, altering the rest periods, or adjusting the intensity. Make sure the routine works for you. In conclusion, Mike Mentzer's routine is a powerful tool for those who are serious about losing fat while preserving muscle. It's a testament to the power of intense focused training coupled with adequate rest and recovery. But remember, it's not a magic bullet. It requires dedication, discipline, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. So as we wrap up, remember these 3 points. Embrace the intensity. This is not a leisurely stroll in the park. It's a full-on sprint. Respect the rest. Your body needs time to recover and grow. And finally, personalize the approach. Make the routine work for you, not the other way around. Embrace the intensity, respect the rest, and prepare to see results like never before. If you have watched until the end of this video and think you have learned anything new or anything of value, please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.